My name's Mike and I live in Chicago. Every year in the summertime, every door in my house swells up. They're all hard to open and close. So today I'm going to show you in about an afternoon how $20 or $40 can help you fix every door in your house. This is all you're going to need. It's just a very inexpensive electric hand planer. I just checked Amazon as of this recording. $42, ship next day. You can't really beat this for $42. You're going to see why in just 1 second. These have a very simple design. It's a cutter head, blades on it, rotates on the bottom. Every model is probably a little different. You have the depth adjusting knob. Each click is 1/128th of an inch. Every cut you see in this video is 1/64th of an inch. These two knobs on the sides here, these are for edge guide attachments. You don't need to worry about those for this demonstration. Whichever way you want the chips to fly into the bag, you put the arrow towards the bag. It goes on both sides. You have a safety, so you can't pull the trigger. You press down the safety, now you can pull the trigger. You got a wrench on here for adjusting the blade or changing the blades. We're not going to worry about that. It has this little shoe on the back. That's, you can set it down, and if the blade's still spinning, the blade doesn't touch the ground. We've got this board screwed to this board real tight, and this board clamped to the table. The doors you'll see me playing in this video are almost like pressed cardboard. They're barely wood. I'm not worried about them at all. If you have old doors, you need to plane with the grain. The way the grain runs is the way you have to plane. You cannot plane across the edge of the board. That can be dangerous. It can splinter. It probably won't turn out very good anyway, so you don't want to do that. You can plane on the main face. You can plane on the edge. You can even chamfer off a little bit of the edge, but you cannot do the end. When you set up to make a pass, you want to put the front on the board, get it as flat as you can, put pressure on the front, pull the trigger so it gets up to full speed. As you go through a pass, in the beginning, you're going to want to press on the front of the tool a little more. As you come through the end of your cut, you're going to want to press more on the back, just a little bit. You don't want to lift it, but you want a little more pressure on the back, because if you press really hard on the front as you're coming off of here, you'll start to wear down the end, and you don't want that. You want it to go straight, flat across. And we'll make a quick pass. So we need to remove the doorknob, obviously. I'm going to set this to 1/16 to make it easy to mark my door so I know where to stop. As you can see, it really takes no skill at all to do that. You just pull the trigger and hold it flat on the work. Anyone can do it. So we'll go put the door back on the hinges and see how we did. Crazy simple stuff, guys. All you have to do is drag all your doors out to the garage, run the planer over them. Once you're done with the planer, you can sell it on Marketplace for 20 bucks. The whole thing will cost you 20 bucks. So if you've been putting up with doors like this in your house for years, an afternoon of your time absolutely will change the way you feel about walking around and being in your house when all the doors work the way they're supposed to. So I hope you found some value in this video. If you do, please hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.